These just came in. They're regular standard power supplies for the MacBooks and the MacBook Airs. You use these at your own risk. I'm using them because whatever happens to my MacBooks happens, but use them at your own risk. I always like to have, because you can short them, you can void the warranty. If you're still under warranty, I wouldn't use anything but Apple devices. I can't say it any more than that, because you could ruin your warranty by using third market power supplies. This MacBook is from like 2008, so I don't really care. And this one is old also. I think it's 2010, 2012 MacBook Air. So use these at your own risk. I purchased two of them. They're both the same thing. They were real cheap, $16 compared to $80 back in the day. And I'm gonna see if they work. Yeah, they give you a warranty. I'll have this at the end. There's nothing else to the box, just these two items. And I just have additional chargers all over the place because we have a lot of MacBooks and stuff like that around. So it gets pricey paying full price for these things. So at $16, I'm willing to take the chance. But again, that's all up to you. So this is the actual MagSafe, and I forget, this is the newer version. It might be, does it say it? I think it's the MagSafe 2. It's from mid-2012 computers. MagSafe 2. And I forget, they might have a third version, but I think there was only two versions, which is the old MacBook one. This one here, which is that little tiny one. That one doesn't fit. That's how I usually know if it's the MagSafe 2, because it sticks, but it's not the same size, and you have to get an adapter. So, let me see. No, this won't fit. This adapter won't fit. So it's another type of adapter. Let's try it out. Does it fit here? Perfect. This is from 2000. I'm sorry. This is a 2014 MacBook Air. I don't know why Apple went with the USB-C. I like USB-C. Don't get me wrong, but as a power option, I like the MagSafe. Having kids, I can't tell you how many times my computer was saved by them just knocking it out instead of ripping the whole computer with them. This is, how many watts is this? Say it is. I think it's supposed to be 80. I'm not sure. Let me double check. Let's unwrap it. Again, you use these at your own risk. You have to, I wouldn't leave any third-party ones plugged into the wall while I wasn't paying attention. I would charge them, but I would need to be near. I usually don't even leave these plugged in overnight because they are third-party power supplies. They make me nervous. But I'll use them if I just need to charge while I'm working. That's usually the way I use them. They're nice looking for non-official devices. Let's see how long the cable is. So I can't use it on the old one. So I need the adapter. But I could use it on the newer one. I'm gonna plug it in and let's see if it lights, at least lights up. Okay, good sign. So let's come back in a little bit. Let's see if it turns green. Hey, it just went on. So it is working. Hey, it's on. Awesome. It's working. Great. Yep, I just logged in. Awesome. And let's look at the... Yep, it's charging. Awesome. It's at 24%. Let's come back in a little bit. I left the plug in for over 2 days now and everything's fine. The charger is charging just fine, no issues whatsoever. It's an 85 watt power supply. It seems to be working just fine. It hasn't gotten hot. It's not hot to the touch at all. Nothing at all. It seems to be working just fine. No issues whatsoever. Seems cheaply made. It's not the same as getting an Apple product. And again, you're getting this at your own risk because of the fact that it's not an Apple product. So I really wouldn't use this on something that's still under warranty with Apple. I would use the original one. This is just, I bought extra ones because we have different locations. We always forget the chargers, and this just comes in handy so much. And our computers are almost 10 years old, and they just work fine with no issues whatsoever. So I left it on for about 2 days. No heat, no issues, no nothing. But again, you use this at your own risk. And it seems to be working just fine. 85 watt. I'm actually getting online and buying a couple of more because it's nice to have extra ones. So far, so good. Okay, so I hope the video helps. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.
MacBook Pro Charger 85 watts power adapter T-tip adapter charger connector for MacBook Pro 15-inch with Retina display late 2012 to 2015. Cost, $16.99. Use at your own risk. Purchased on Amazon's website. Compatible devices laptops. Brand Gaku's. Color 85 watts MagSafe 2. Item weight 8 ounces. Current rating 5 amps, 1.5 amps. About this item. Input, AC 100 to 240 volts, 1. 5A 50 to 60 Hz output, DC 20V4. 25A. Compatibility, compatible with MacBook Pro 15-inch M2, MJLT2, MGXC2, MIXA2, ME293, ME294, ME664, ME665, MC975, MC976. Note, this is the second generation of power adapter T-shape, not the first generation. Replacement chargers manufactured with the highest quality materials and include multiple smart features safeguarding against 4, incorrect voltage, SC, short circuit, I/O, internal overheating. SAE/FCC/RoW HS certified. Good quality, compatible works as original part 12 months. Product description. The XNO 85 watt power adapter will charge your precious device without compromising on its safety or performance, while its superior build and safety features ensure a reliable charging companion that's sure to stay with you in the long run. XNO MacBook Charger. Input, AC 100 to 240 volts, 1.5A 50 to 60 Hz output, DC 20 volts 4.25A 85 watts. Travel-friendly design and cord wraps around the adapter snugly for a compact storage. Intelligent LED lighting system that shines amber when notebook is charging and green when fully charged. Strongest USB connecting wire that does fray or break apart easily. Ideal gift for anyone who owns an MacBook Pro with Retina display. Compatibility. Compatible with a wide range of MacBooks. Part number MD506LL/AA1398A1424. MacBook Pro, Retina, 15-inch, mid-2012. MacBook Pro, Retina, 15-inch, early 2013. MacBook Pro, Retina, 15-inch, late 2013. MacBook Pro, Retina, 15-inch, mid-2014. MacBook Pro, Retina, 15-inch, mid-2015. All MacBooks with magnetic connector, 2, power port, T-tip. 100% risk-free satisfaction guaranteed. We provide a 2 years warranty with our MacBook Pro charger. However, if our product fails to satisfy you, we will either replace it or refund your money back with no questions asked. Hurry and order now to receive XNO MacBook charger in just 1 to 2 working days. Product information. Package dimensions 5.16 by 3.78 by 2.2 inches. Item weight 8 ounces. Manufacturer XNO Shenzhen Walleyes Technology Company, Limited. ASIN B07T28SH3J. Item model number PA85 watts.